So arraignment is just a fancy word for your first court date. People are always super nervous and super anxious about their first court date, but the truth is, not much happens. Most cases are not resolved and certainly should not be resolved in one court date. That's just not how it works. Going to court for your first court date is a lot like going to school. You get into the courthouse, you go, you find your courtroom, you sit down. You're not by yourself. Again, people sometimes think like, is the police officer going to be there? Am I going to have to testify? Is the judge going to ask me questions? And that's not really how it works. It's not movie, it's not TV. It's like going to school. The judge is going to come out. He or she is going to call all the names in the docket for that morning. You're going to stand up. You're going to say, I'm present. I'm here. You're going to sit down. And that's kind of it for the day, right? Your attorney's going to come in. They're going to do a little negotiating with the DAs, talk to the judge, and then your case most likely is going to reset for 30 or 45 days. So if you're nervous about like, am I going to be asked questions? What do I say? Is the person that's accusing me of something, are they going to be there? Are they going to be showing videos of me or anything like that? None of that stuff is going to happen on your first court date. That's a trial. Your first court date is very anticlimactic. It's nothing to be nervous about. It's nothing to be worried about. Really, all you need to do is make sure you got your attorneys lined up, show up on time, and you're not going to have any issues.